Hi, it's Dr. Sarah Hart. The best thing about the ASAP's Cadaver Workshop has been the access to the international leaders in this area with all of their unpublished data and the latest insights. So every single time I come to an anatomy workshop, I learn something new. It does not matter. I have been to so many of these workshops now. Every single time there is some new development that we didn't know about before that increases my understanding of injection anatomy. A good understanding of facial anatomy is absolutely vital for all injectors. And the key with the ASAP's Anatomy Workshop is that it's injection anatomy that you're learning, which is different from surgical anatomy. What that does is it helps you get better results, and it also helps you avoid complications. Getting better results, you get more accurate placement of both your toxin and your fillers. A better knowledge of anatomy, particularly vessel anatomy, is going to help you avoid complications.